Septic tanks don't need to be this scary, confusing thing that makes you want to call a plumber every other week. Look, here's the real deal about keeping your septic tank chill without stressing out. First off, you really don't have to limit yourself to one wash a day like some people say. Doing 3 to 4 loads a week is totally fine if you're not dumping crazy stuff down the drain. Don't flush anything weird like wipes or grease, because those mess up the system big time. Keep an eye on what goes down your garbage disposal too. Too much food waste can clog things up. Pumping your tank every single year? Nah, that's only if your tank's acting up and not breaking down solids fast enough. If your septic system is healthy, you can probably stretch that out to about 3 years between pumpings. Also, don't trust inspections that just confirm a tank exists but don't really check its health. Those aren't worth much. Finally, always get a professional to do a proper inspection if you're buying or selling a house so you're not stuck with nasty surprises. One of the biggest mistakes with septic tanks is pumping way too often because someone scared you with horror stories online. Pumping monthly is overkill and wastes money. Fix that by following a realistic schedule based on your tank's condition. Another common problem is flushing or dumping stuff that doesn't break down easily, which leads to clogs and system failure. The fix is simple. Only flush toilet paper and human waste, and avoid chemicals or non-biodegradable items. Last, relying on superficial inspections that don't actually assess your tank's health can leave you blindsided by costly repairs. Make sure to hire a qualified professional who knows what they're looking for and can give you a real status update. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff about septic systems and other home projects. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by matching them with people who need reliable pros in their area, making it easier for everyone to keep their homes running smooth.